Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check payment history on Instagram. First, log into your Instagram account. Then, click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, you will find your profile and at the top right corner, you will find the three-line button. Click on it and then you can go to Account Center. Now go to your account center and from here scroll a little down and you will find the MetaPay option. Click on it. If you have add your debit card or credit card here, then you can find all the transaction through the Instagram or all the payment that you made through the Instagram. All the details will be listed in this section. You just need to add your credit card or debit card. Also, you can check your payment history from here. Scroll a little down and go to this orders and payments section. From here you can get a overview about your subscription, your shopping info, your credit card and debit cards details, everything, and the other payment methods about something that you ordered or you make a payments through Instagram. That's pretty simple, right? Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.